Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSE Guide official YouTube channel. So today we discuss about Central University of Finance and Economics CUFE Chinese Government Scholarship CSE Scholarship 2021 and 2022 has been started. So let's start. So type in Google and click on the second link. Here is the detail, csguideofficial.com. Open this. Okay, after opening this you can see the details. Central University of Finance and Economics CUFE Chinese Government Scholarship 2021 and 2022. Authorities: Chinese Government Scholarship, Central University of Finance and Economics CUFE, Master and PhD students. This scholarship is only for Master and PhD students, not for undergraduate. 3000 RMB for Master and 3500 RMB for PhD. Just online, sorry, not online apply. You online apply, fill online form and send documents to the university address. 31st of March 2021 is the deadline. So prepare yourself. Eligibility criteria, you can see all students, interested students can apply. Age limit for Master 35 and for PhD 40 years. So you can apply with on the behalf of English Proficiency Certificate. IELTS is not mandatory. Wow, how to apply for this scholarship? The main step of this scholarship: first you fill CSE online application form. After filling CSE online application form, first you fill CSE online application form. Click here. Here is the link. Click here to go to the CSE online portal. And after that, if you think that if you don't know, you don't have any idea about CSE online application form, click here to watch the video. Okay, after filling CSE online application form, you must fill Central University of Economics and Finance online application form. Here is the detail of, if you think that you don't have any idea about online portal of university, so click here to watch this video. Okay, upload all these required documents on CSE portal and university portal as well. And 500 RMB application fee. You must need to pay 500 RMB application fee before submission application form. Result will be announced at the end of July. And then now the main part of this story is required documents. To you send two sets of documents to university address. Here is the detail of documents. So prepare your documents and collect all these documents and staple with each other, and make two sets and send it to university address. First is CSE online application form. Agency number is 120034. And after filling this university online application form, must fill passport photocopy, transcript, highest degree, personal statement, physical examination form, recommendation letter, English proficiency certificate, HSK for Chinese not majors, and award certificates and other supporting documents if you have, like no criminal certificate record and these kind of things. Okay, here is the mailing address in which you send your documents. So send your documents as soon as possible if you want to apply. If you think that you must apply, you want to apply this university. So now first I will tell you, if before applying this, must focus on this. Here is the major which they offer for doctoral candidates in Chinese, in English. So you can see PhD candidates admission major is finance, world economic and finance, and the college is Institute of Finance, Finance Research Institute, and China Academy of Public Finance and Policy. This is for PhD students and for the school. And year of this duration is 4 years. Okay, and sorry, here is the detail of bank account in which you deposit application fee. Okay, here the bank name is International and Commercial Bank of China, Beijing, Hsinchu Jobia province. And here is the Central University of Finance and Economics bank name. Okay, and this is only if your major is in the list. So you can see here, if your major is not in the list, it means they don't offer any scholarship to your major. In other majors are in Chinese. So though this is for master candidates, here you can see citizen. Here, so admission major is the major is in English. So you can see here is English language major, Institute of Finance college name, and school law, finance, international law, finance, investment, regional economics, and these kind of things. And these majors they offer in Chinese is only for 2 years. So you can see if your major is not in the list, it means they don't offer scholarship to your major. Either you have acceptance letter. So if you don't have acceptance letter, then and your major is not in the list, then apply in other universities. If you have acceptance letter and your major is not in the list, then I also suggest you not apply in this university, because if they not offer any scholarship to your major, then you can apply. So don't worry about this, that if you think that either I apply or not, I have acceptance letter but my major is not in the list, so I suggest you not apply in this university. So here's the detail, and also same which I already told you. So here is the international office address. This is also the same one which I show you already. So if you think that it's a very helpful video, then visit our website cscguideofficial.com. If you think that if you don't find any, if you feel difficulties to find professor faculties link, click here. And if you think that you want to keep update, you want to keep update regarding CSE scholarship, then visit cscguideofficial.com and CSE scholarship admissions as well. So I also give this link in the description in this video in detail here. So don't worry about this for master and PhD as well. So here is another university. In next video inshallah I will tell you East China Normal University. 31st of March 2020 is the last date. East China Normal University Chinese government scholarship has also been started. So in the next video inshallah I will tell you how you apply for East China Normal University ECNU. So if you want to check the detail of this university scholarship, then visit cscguideofficial.com and click on CSE scholarship admissions and open this form. Okay, hope so this video is very good for you and very helpful for you. Take care of yourself, and we met you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.